of the Start menu. Now let's learn about the Start menu. We use the Start menu to do common activities like start programs, open commonly used folders, search for files, folders and programs, adjust computer settings, get help with the Windows operating system, turn off the computer, log off from Windows or switch to a different user account. Let's open the Start menu. Click the Start button. The Start menu opens. The Start menu has three basic parts. The large left pane shows a short list of programs on your computer. Clicking all programs displays a complete list of programs. At the bottom of the left pane is the search box, which allows you to look for programs and files on your computer by typing in search terms. The right pane provides access to commonly used folders, files, settings and features. The right pane also has the shutdown button. Opening programs from the Start menu. Let us open the program Paint for example. Click the Start button. Select the All Programs menu item. Select Accessories. Select the Paint menu item. The untitled Paint window opens. Click the Close button. This way you can open any program. The search box is one of the most convenient way to find things on your computer. For example, let's find the document named Sample. Click the Start button. Start typing sample. As you type, the search result appears above the search box. Click on the sample document to open it. Select the sample document. The sample document opens. Click the Close button. Let's have a look to the right pane of the Start menu, which is used more frequently. Clicking on the Personal folder opens your personal folder, which is named for whoever is currently logged on to Windows, like Rakesh here. This folder, in turn, contains user-specific files including the My Documents, My Music, My Pictures and My Videos folders. Clicking on Documents opens the document library where you can access and open text files, spreadsheets, presentations and other kinds of documents. Clicking on Pictures opens the picture library where you can access and view digital pictures